Well, good morning. It's our first day on the job today. Everyone's up early.
Gail, you're going to be with, oh, that's fine.
Breakfast has been made. I think they're serving some kind of hot egg dish, which is amazing. I've already grabbed my coffee. They brought actual half and half out here. I can drink the coffee. It's like a miracle. So yeah, and we're gonna get our own hard hats with our names on them. And yeah, pretty soon we're gonna be hiking out of here and we're gonna be working on the trail. So what's for breakfast here? Are these
it is your version of the egg McMuffin, but it's organic pork sausage. And then it's an egg omelet with mushrooms and onions.
Oh yeah.
Breakfast goodness.
Yeah.
And some fresh fruit.
Fresh fruit.
How awesome is that?
I know.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is like amazing. And the half and half. Look how much of it. There's enough for me. So here's the lunch station where we're gonna make our lunch for out on the trail. Ooh, candy.
Shiny helmet.
This is old hat for you. Ha 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 ha.
Already starting at like 7 in the morning.
Okay, thanks.
See if I can swim.
By TRTA that you take your helmet off before you have a beer.
It's official.
It's beautiful. Good work. Should I put my real name or my trail name? I don't know.
Ooh, what is your trail name?
Pokemon. I'm gonna go with Diane. Oh, it's crooked. I can't stand that.
There's 3 reroutes we're doing. We're rerouting the small sections of the trail because they're over steep and they're down the fall line and we're getting erosion on them. And so we're going to work today on 2 of those reroutes. And I'm going to see where we are at the end of the day, and if we're in good shape on those 2, then I'll spin some people off tomorrow to then start working on the 3rd reroute. At the maximum temperature today. But
okay, so we just had our little orientation. We're basically hiking up to the tool cache now to pick up some tools, and then we're splitting out into a couple of work groups. And I think Jamie and I are hiking maybe a mile and a half to where we're doing our reroute. And yeah, it begins.
you've got to have your helmet on, and you've got to have gloves. You can use it to pull like that. Carry the most dangerous tool on the downhill side.
We're gonna have 2 subgroups.
I know.
This one will be Jeff's subgroup Jeff. This will be subgroup Mark. That way, as the leader, I don't actually have to do anything because the subgroups will work, and I'll just pretend to work. We want 1 pole saw, 1 rock bar.
We'll sweep then. Yeah,
Okay, so we've got our work tools. I only got 1 because he left me a camera hand. Woohoo! And here we go, hiking to the work site.
All right, so I had everybody hold up because I want to illustrate a point here. We're going to be building a new trail. A new trail is essentially just a big road, a small road, right? So, if you look at the road cut that they made to make this road, we're going to be doing the exact same thing. So it's a great larger-than-life illustration of what we're doing. The original slope of this hill went from that point right across to here, correct? So how did they build the road? They took the material that was here and they pulled it off and dispersed it and created a couple different features that I want everyone to know the names of because we're going to be using that when we talk. So when I say the tread of the trail, I'm talking about from right here, the edge, over to right here. That's the part of the trail you walk on. We're going to confirm with Bob, but we're usually building 24 to 36 inch tread. So that's 2 to 3 feet. Your McLeod is approximately 1 foot across. So if you got 3 McLeods, that's as wide as we want the trail to be. We don't want to go any wider than that. If you want to do a guest vlog for us, we'd love it.
You guys vlog?
We have a blog.
Oh, blog. Oh, yeah,
So if
sure.
You would vlog on our blog.
I could do that too.
Just up ahead, if you were up close with Jeff, you could see the trail kind of came around that bend and actually opened into double track, what we call double track, where there's one trail parallel to the other one. In the muddy season, when that water comes down from snow melt, the very lowest track gets all muddy and people start walking next to it, and that makes the two tracks. Everybody's a safety officer. If you ever feel uncomfortable with anything, that's great. Let everyone know. We'll make a decision about how to get the work done some other time, or we just won't do it, because nothing we're doing here is more important than getting everyone home safe and sound after the day. In general, what Jeff is doing is great. He's working parallel to the direction of travel on the trail. So they've moved from just duff clearing to basically what we would call brushing or clearing out the bushes. That those fine bits of duff have been taken out. And that's what we want to do. We want to get down to just packed mineral soil. Don't ever throw rocks away. Rocks are very valuable, even if they're not gold or silver. We need rocks in case we get to an area where you find, let's say, a tree stump that fell 200 years ago and rotted out. Now you've got a big hole where that tread's supposed to be. What are we going to fill that with? Rocks. We want to create sinuous curves, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying to use these pin flags to identify the area where Bob wants us to drain water off the trail. I'm just going to kind of define a little bit more carefully the curves that I want to see in between our pin flags. This is about a foot, so we've got 1, 2.5 is about here. We're going to be cutting out 30 inches of tread, and I want you to just go straight down and over on either side, so 8 or 9 feet. We want that for the horses, and then up above we're clearing to 10 or 12 feet.
Okay, so we got our first lesson in trail making, and now we've all been assigned to our groups, and we're sort of spreading out along these flagged paths, and we're basically starting to cut trail. So let me show you some of that. Here we got Steve doing his thing. Steve, that looks amazing! Rock star! We got Jesse killing it! Yeah! Carol's showing that sagebrush who's boss. Chris and Jeff, the bad. So famous, YouTube famous.
Well, I told her she could get the blog for us.
Jamie, show that Sandy's boss.
We have to say goodbye to Junior.
Oh my God, Junior's gone already?
Junior's gone.
So there was a little tree about like this. I had to go.
I think that was Junior.
Say a prayer for Junior, everyone.
Bye, Junior.
And think of all the juniors that will live, because people are going to stay on this lovely trail.
You want to get them out? Huh? I know how you like rock bars. I can do it if you want. You want to get them out?
Alright, let's see if gravity works now. A second. 2, 3. No, not yet. It's coming.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit of time.
This is how trails are made. So, do you guys name the rock when it's this difficult?
It's Mark Rock.
Yeah, you can't like have your mouth open.
So now you're going to move it flat onto the trail?
Yeah, we're gonna just swivel this. We've done the hard part. And then it'll be stopped. Alright, let's swivel it in.
Come on over here, you can see better.
That's not going anywhere.
That's perfect. I mean, I think that's good. What do you think?
I think it's good enough.
Not all that heavy.
Yeah, cross country.
Okay, so we just finished lunch and my upper back really hurts, but it's time to get back to work. So here we go. What are you feeling?
Yeah, after lunch.
Yeah. A little slower. Having fun?
Taking a break.
Yeah, I think you earned it out here. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, having tons of fun.
So this is where our trail work ends. And it's gonna meet with the trail over there by that rock. But we're doing that tomorrow so that people don't walk on the new trail by mistake. Okay, our work day is finally over. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, what a long and tiring day. My upper back is really tired. And Jamie is carrying my tool for me because she's awesome. But yeah, it's pretty amazing. We went from wilderness to what's starting to look like a trail. So let me show you. So we made this today. It's not finished, but it's coming along. So we're caching the tools here for the night. Oh, I just stepped in somebody's pile. Oh my gosh, Dee, you're like a rock star out there.
Oh gosh.
Doing everything in the heat. Oh my gosh.
I was trying to keep up with Carol.
Oh, I know, she's out there in the sun all day long,
Yeah.
using every tool. It's amazing. I'm all like wilting in the shade. I gotta take a vlog break. Look what we did. And here's where it stops. So we didn't do this into the trail either because we didn't want hikers walking onto the trail yet. So we did the middle section first. And tomorrow we're gonna work on all this. And I'm so out of breath. Oh my gosh. And here we are, back at the real trail. Okay, I can't wait for dinner. What were you saying, Jamie?
Hand came off.
Oh.
I guess we were working hard today. Go us! I'm so proud of us.
Yeah.
Trail work day 1.
Woohoo!
And so I always did exactly as she said. You know, I tried really hard to keep my dad alive.
Very creative solution to the problem, yes. I thought you said, I don't know what you said.
I said, oh, Bob.
Sometime. And Jeff will probably spend.
So liberated watching this right now. Right. And then, you know, and then just, you know, and you're going to use this.
And then it goes through your scalp.
Do not video this.
Oh, those sounds will be, you won't hear anything.
So I went to the group, and there's a high school group. What happened if they repeat a route after half an hour? They were
You are sock twins. I know, I love these darn tubs. They're awesome. They have racing stripes on them.
No, I'm sorry?
Cheers to the venture, better shared.
Definitely.
As I'm doing a body wash on camera.
I can cut anything.